Hello, so today I'm going to be talking about leaf tag and huge type. So I'm going to be talking about their usefulness, how you can use it in real food or any application program that you are using, whether Android, laptop or iPhone. So I'm going to put my I'm going to put my voice. So what I'm doing is that I'm fixing what I'm doing now is that I'm fixing this method so you can see the sign, which means I've created my HTML file separately. So now we need I open the CSS file in order to explain this. So for me to explain this, I also need CSS for a reason. So now the usefulness of this tag is that it's used for grouping. So let's assume I I take this tag, make it one tag here. So and let's say I use um so I've created this now. The usefulness of div is that when you like the same tag repeatedly, and you want to design like for each tag, whether the field, whether you want to design, you want to like create a design for each of the tags. Like what we do now is let's say this each one and a tag is equal. So let's assume I use this repeatedly. So let's I'm putting a very large project. Let me say I'm building a website, a complex website, or like the CBT app I built or Netflix. So some of all these code, a tag, each one tag, and like that will be repeated your HTML. There is no how you want to do it to be repeated. So what programmers do is that once they see that they are using the same like they are using H tag, they are using any tag repeatedly and they want to like have different like different design or different function for each. They are going to group it using tag. If you don't group it using tag and you come to your CSS, let me show you an example. Now I've used this repeatedly. Even if I change the name or I change the time, it doesn't matter. What matters is that this tag, H1 this tag has been used more than once. So let's say now I want a specific design for this and I want a specific design for this or a specific function for this. Now how am I going to go about it? Let's say this H1 tag, this particular H1 tag, I want it to be centralized. Why this particular H1 tag? Okay, let me change uh, why this particular H1 tag? I don't want the color to be black, which is the default color. I want it to be blue. So now and let's ignore the H1 tag. See what first. Let's run this code. Let's first run this code first. So now this blue, I want it centralized, and this I want the color to be blue. And now this tag I have used it repeatedly. So just the instrument of the different. So now what I just did is that I just change the background color. You will see the result later. So now as you see, I've used this particular tag repeatedly due to creating a very large or complex project or something. And this H1, I want this particular H1, I want the color to be blue, but not centralized, like not at the center. While this H1, I want it at the center, but I want the color to be at default, which is black. Now I'm doing this without the input, without the use of the div of the div. So now let's run this code now. Okay, first things first. We have now built our HTML to CSS. So we have to use it so that the code of the CSS code is going to reflect. So I'm going to put the name of our CSS file. So that's the so now this let me show you what I'm saying. So this is one H1, this is BB. You can see that everything is at center because I said H1 text align center. So now but what I really want is that this particular H1 should be at the center, but the color should be at the front. Why this thing that is here should remain where it is, but the color should be blue. But now I just give H1 text align center and everything just went to the center. Why? It's because I didn't use div tag. So it is that div tag that will tell the CSS that okay, what this guy is trying to say is that this particular H1 is different from this one. He wants it different from this one. You understand? So that difference you're using to communicate to the CSS that this my particular code, see the design for it. I want it like that. But if you don't use the div tag, you just create and just design for each one. Any other code that has anything each one, it will have effect on it automatically. Why? Because we not use div tag to group it. So even all these things that we have, let's say if I between this kind of this one red, this one blue, this one yellow, this one black. If I don't use div tag first and I just create it with file, anything, no matter how long my HTML code will be, any tag that is repeated we have effect on it. Like this tag, let's say this one, I want a specific design for this and I also want a specific design for this. If I don't use the div tag, this anything that has this tag, even though the code is so plenty, anything that has a tag, all of them will have effect on it. Just like this one, consider all of them meant to the middle. And if you notice those that meant to the middle as those that have each one tag, you can see the space and left in between, but still you still have why because of this I will use each one tag test and in the CSS. So this you are indirectly telling the CSS that okay anything that has H1 tag in HTML should go to the center. That's it. But now if you want it the way you want it, you have to communicate to the CSS the way you understand. And the only way you understand is through the use of the div tag. So now I will apply div tag only in this one. Then I will use this code and receive the result. So now I only apply div tag in this one. So I'll save it to next. Okay, sorry. This one that I apply div tag now. I'm going to use it. Okay, acknowledge. When we are using digital, we have to group it. So now I didn't do this particular time. So for me to group this using I was once I've opened my and I've come here to close it. Inside the open just like this, it is closed now. Now I'll bring my arrow inside and I'll use the other thing and I'll put class. So now once I put class, I'll put equals to, then I can put any name of my choice. So I can put kill replace here as my default. So now what's your daily CSS now? Okay, this one is skill increase. So any design that is here, even at this H1, you know this H1 has a repetition state. This is another thing, this is another thing. But any code that I do won't have the effect of this one because I've used it. So if I want to design this one specifically, I'll come in. What I'll do, I'll target the div tag. So this this is our tag. So I'll come it like a CSS that I want to design this one specifically. So I went from here to here. So it will be dot pdf. Now I'll put dot mm, I'll put dot pdf now. Then I want to create each one. Then I'll open bracket. So you see now that any code that I apply will only have effect on this H1. If I also want to design a specific code for this, I'll do the same way. Dot keep decrease space a tag. So meaning you're telling the CSS that this code, anyone that is repetition will not have effect. That only this is what I want to design. So it's through the use of that div tag, you use and communicate to the CSS that leave other thing that is repetition. This one that is here is one I want to fix. So that's how the like this. So if I come in, for example, design right. So now I'll not give it text amount. I'll just use color. Now let me okay. Let's okay, let's now this particular each one I'm giving it its own design that I want. You will see that it will not have effect on any other H1 that is in this HTML tag. So let's see. So can you see only H1 B, which is BB. So I've come with color magenta and text decoration overline. Now the reason why this is still text align enter is because of this one that is here. That's it. So but any other design I'm putting in this particular H1 that is in that different won't have effect on any other one. So now if I want if I want to do design a specific design for this one, I will also use div. Okay, let's come down use it. So and I use it I come in and go to this one now. I can use anything. So I've used container. I've used container. So now this particular kind of let's change it to sign. Okay, let's leave it to sign. So now this particular sign is in div. So I will create a design. And if I want to create a design, I will target the div and the div of that one is container. So I'll put it of container. Then I'll put a then open the bracket. Why am I putting a? Because this is the a tag. So mm, then I'll put design on this. So now I've put design on this particular one that is in div. So remember we still have even this one. is the same as this one, but differently. Another thing is that I give, but this code that I've created, because it's targeted in this, it won't have effect on others. So I clearly stated that this design is specifically made for that. So can I say it again? So I said that may have effect on you for the other. So that's just for this. You can see the weakness. So any design that you need to do specifically for a particular type is for a particular type. And you know that that type you've repeated it, you have to put it inside this. Because if you don't do this, it will have effect on all. So for input is just all about information. Just all about information. It's something like this. Let me click on it of input. So now I have something like this. This is my input. So you see what I'm talking about. Mm, so you can see this is just what input is all about. The input tag. So the input tag is just all about information. Just like my CPR that I did. I just did it. Let me show you. Mm, what is that? Okay, this is it. So this is what input is all about. Just all about information. So now if you want to design input in this way, that's for places. So you can imagine this first name is one input, this is second input, this third, this fourth. If I even come here, change password, If I come here, please send password where you can change your password. This one is this one is so making a meaning that it's good news. So and you can see all of them have their business. So all those increasing have been all of them group are grouped into div tags with their specific design. If you have an account and you want to log in, this something is allowing you to resume. So that's what the div and input tag is all about. One is grouping, and one is for information, just for information. I can enter my name here. Yes, I can enter my name. So that's what it's all about. So if this video found it very helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.